Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Tips channel. Today, we're tackling something super handy in Google Calendar for 2025. How to add someone as an optional attendee to your events. Whether you're planning a team meeting or a casual hangout, marking someone as optional means they can join if they want without feeling pressured. This feature is a game changer for better collaboration, and I'll walk you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first. Make sure you're logged into your Google account and open the Google Calendar app on your phone or the website on your computer. It's straightforward and works the same way on both. Now, to add someone as optional, start by creating a new event. Click on the plus button or the create option, depending on your device, to set up your event details like the date, time, and title. Once you've got the basics down, look for the Add Guests or Guests section in the event creation window. Type in the email address of the person you want to invite. Here's the key part. After adding their email, you'll see options next to their name, like Required or Optional. Simply select Optional from the drop-down menu. This lets them know they're welcome but not obligated to attend. Don't forget to hit Save or Create Event to finalize everything. Google Calendar will send them an invitation email with the details, and they can respond accordingly. If you're editing an existing event, just click on the event, go to the Guests section, and adjust their status there. And that's it, you've successfully added someone as optional in Google Calendar for 2025. This little tweak can make your scheduling way more flexible and considerate. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.